In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your network from public to private in Windows 11. If you're on a trusted home or office network and want your PC to be discoverable for things like file sharing and printers, setting the connection to private is the right move. On the other hand, public is best for places like airports, coffee shops, or hotels where you want to stay hidden and locked down. Today, I'll show you exactly where to make this change and explain what it does so you can pick the safest option for your situation. First, open the Settings app in Windows 11. You can do that from the Start menu or any way you normally prefer. Once you're in Settings, look to the left sidebar and select Network and Internet. This is where Windows groups everything related to your connection. Next, you'll choose the type of network you're using right now. If you're on Wi-Fi, click Wi-Fi. If your PC is plugged in with a cable, click Ethernet. You want to open the page for the connection that's currently active so you can change its profile. Now, select your connected network. On Wi-Fi, that means clicking the name of the wireless network you're currently joined to. On Ethernet, select the active Ethernet connection listed. This opens a page with details about that specific connection. Look for the setting labeled Network Profile Type. You'll see two options, public and private. Change it to private. That's it. As soon as you choose private, Windows treats this network as trusted. Your device becomes discoverable to other devices on the same network, which enables features like network discovery, file sharing, and printer sharing to work smoothly. This is ideal for home and small office environments where you control who's on the network. A quick word of caution: only use private on networks you trust. If you're on a shared or public hotspot, keep the profile on public to reduce your device's visibility and minimize exposure. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're actually connected to the network you're trying to change. Some work or school devices may have this setting managed by an administrator, which can prevent changes. In that case, reach out to your IT team. To recap, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, choose Wi-Fi or Ethernet, select your active connection, and set the network profile type to private. With that done, your PC is ready for secure sharing on trusted networks while staying protected elsewhere.